How to download Litecoin app. So if you want to download Litecoin application, then first, if you have an Android device, you can go to your Play Store, and if you have an Apple device, then you can go for your App Store. And once you've opened your application, now you can go for the search bar and search for Litecoin. And once you've searched that, here you will have Lite Wallet. Tap on that. And now if you want to download this application, then you need to simply tap on install. And once you've tapped on install, it will start the installation process. Now you can see that your app has been downloaded. So simply tap on open. And now you can go for create new wallet, or you can recover your wallet. So that's it. That's how you install and download Lite Wallet application or Litecoin wallet application. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.